Hey everyone, I got an announcement to make today. First of all, a big thanks to each one of you has been part of the membership program for the past 3.5 years. I've created over 170 educational videos, shared countless intriguing design, and built an amazing community with you. However, as you know, polishing a precious gemstone, it takes time and effort. To continue bringing you high-class creative content, I need a break to rethink my plans, pick up new skills, and take care of my personal health. My vision has always been building an online jewelry school accessible to everyone, everywhere. Our journey with the CAD and technology so far is just the first step toward to realize this dream. Given all this consideration, I have decided to temporarily cancel the membership service. I do not see this as a goodbye, but as a promising new chapter, and who knows, I may come back with even more exciting news in the future. I'll gradually make some membership video public. The membership will end this month, November 30, 2023, and your last payment will be refunded to your account according to YouTube membership guideline. Lastly, I cannot express enough how grateful I am to all my members. Your support, eager to learn, and patient have made this extraordinary journey in teaching jewelry CAD design possible. I'll still see you all in the public videos. A big thanks to everyone and take care.